Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric menorahs that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Aviv Judaica chrome-plated electric menorah. This classic menorah is constructed from solid steel and is polished to ensure it shines bright year after year. It comes with 9 flickering bulbs that will light up any home. The menorah is nice, but the price is a little on the high side. I had a similar one, but unfortunately someone broke into my storage unit and stole it, so I needed a replacement. I thought bulbs were included as described, but there weren't any bulbs in the box, so I had to purchase it separately, which cost another $13.99 plus shipping. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Zion Judaica large LED electric Hanukkah menorah. This sleek electric menorah adds a modern touch to any Hanukkah celebration. It measures 14 inches long by nearly 3 inches across, making it a great fit for most windowsills and tables. I was pleasantly surprised when it arrived. The size is perfect. I didn't want a small menorah, and the sleek black and silver arch design feels modern and substantial. The bluish hue of the lights complements my decor beautifully and feels intentional rather than harsh or overly bright. At number 3, we have the Lite blue electric LED low voltage menorah. This inexpensive LED menorah will brighten any home. It has a push button to control the lights and can be powered by batteries or a micro USB cable. The real version with flame-lit candles doesn't work everywhere. This one will. It also produces a light show celebrating all 8 nights. It can also be used and lit before and after the annual celebration. We used it in a holiday display at a manor house, so the actual celebration of Hanukkah is typically hit and miss. We added our own decorative twist, painting some of the highlights of the menorah in silver to accent the blue-colored product. At number 2, we have the Zion Judaica Exquisite modern artistic LED menorah. This ultra-modern menorah has an angular design that makes it a good fit for any minimalist home or tablescape. It's also lightweight, making it easy to travel with or store. I saw this at a Judaica store, but when I went to purchase it was sold out. I saw this on Amazon and just had to order. I love it to join our other menorahs. This is small, compact, modern, and very exquisite. I plan on using this for travel as it is compact and safe and stunning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dreidel Company Mini Electric Menorah. This Tree of Life menorah measures just 5.8 by 5.3 by x 3.1, making it a beautiful fit for compact spaces. It can also be powered by batteries or using the included USB cable. If you want to get this and you want to leave the house to go to a Hanukkah party, this is the perfect thing. You can get no flames, plug it into the wall, and let it go. It's wonderful for people who are on oxygen, who want to do a celebration. This is perfect for them. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.